video. This video will give you an overview to the layer list in Titan Web and give you some idea in terms of why it's used and some of the best practices that I recommend using the layer list. So what you want to do is go to your Titan Web, and then let's say you add however many strips as you want, really, it's up to you. But the basic premise is this: no matter how many elements you drag into one or another, so let's go ahead and add some stuff like a button here, we'll do another button over here, and then let's say some text here, and then let's say some text over here. Now in order to access this in a control, what you want to do is go to view and you want to do show layer list. And this is amazing because each strip has columns, and each column has different elements within it. And every time you click on one, it will highlight it for you. You can move them like that, and so on. Every strip with a column and different elements within it. And you can do a lot of different stuff, really. You can search for your own elements, like you can say title, and it will bring up title for you. And you can filter that. You can see per device also what different elements are available. This is really, really handy if you want to set up a multi-platform Titan web portal or a website. You want to make sure it's compatible. So if you're looking to make changes, you want to learn how to access them quickly, layer list is the way to go. And then within here, you can access different platforms. Now, within it, you can also hide some stuff. So for example, I'll click there. Now this bit is completely hidden to desktop, and you can do that for every different device type. So that's the layer list for you, and you can even right click and then, like for example, copy, paste, duplicate, hide, lock, rename, save to your strips. So you can use them later, you can even delete it. These are some of the functionalities you have available. And to find the layer list, you click on View, Show Layer List, and you're good to go. And if you close it, you go again, and there it is. And that's how you do it.